In this video I'm going to show you how to make Google Slides play automatically. So what we need to do is create a presentation in Google Slides, and once you are finished we have a couple of options. The first option is go to File, then go to Share, and there you will find Publish to Web. Click on that. Now you can set the auto advanced slides, and this is basically when it starts sliding, like every 10 seconds, every minute, every 5 seconds. So you can choose the time frame you would like to use, let's say 5 seconds, and you can also select start slideshow as soon as the player loads. So if you open the presentation, then it will start with the auto sliding, and you can also select restart the slideshow after the last slide. So once you have reached the last slide in your presentation, it will restart the presentation automatically. But for now we will just press play, and once we open the presentation it will start playing. So now we will publish it, and then you will click on OK. And as you can see, we got a link now over here. We can copy that link by pressing Ctrl+C or just right mouse click and then copy. We will open a new tab, and now we will paste the link into it, and now you will see how it shows. So this is the slideshow, and now it starts automatically with every 5 seconds sliding into a new Google slide. But we also had a second option. We can go back to the presentation and we can click on slideshow on the arrow beside of that, and there you will find start from beginning. So once we press this, as you can see, it now starts automatically. And that is how you make a Google slide play automatically. Thank you for watching.